Hi, I love my Sigma FP as well as my Sony A5100, but the problem with them is that they don't have EVF, as you can see here. But I do have a solution to fix that. Let's talk about it right now. Okay, so you can see that the Fujifilm X-T3 has a beautiful EVF, but the Sigma FP does not have it. And similarly, the Sony 5100 doesn't have it either. So what to do? Well, I'm going to show you right now the video glasses that you can purchase. You can check the link below, but I bought this with my own money, and I find that this is quite useful. Especially, for example, you're filming your camera in the daytime and these screens may not be the best for the light, especially when the sun hits it and you won't be able to see the screen. Well, you'll need something like this. Let me show you right now. Okay, so here it is. This is the video glasses. Let me open it up for you. Okay, so here we have the video glasses. And basically what it is an LCD screen. There's two of them located in these two lenses. And we're going to have to look through these lenses in order to see your LCD video. Okay, so the video is projected onto the tiny LCD screen in here, these two here. And the good thing about this is that they actually allow you to listen in. So the audio input from the HDMI also will be able to be fed into this glasses as well. So the HDMI will allow audio and video. Okay, and you can charge your device, the video glasses, using a USB. So here we have this video glasses, and what we want to do is be able to connect them to your camera like the Sony A5100 or the Sigma FP. Alright, so in order to connect your camera, the Sony A5100 or the Sigma FP, you need to be able to convert this male HDMI to a female HDMI. So what you need to do is get one of these female adapter HDMI, and then you connect one end, the female, to the male, and now you have a female end. And then you need a HDMI cable, the standard male, to a micro HDMI male. So you can connect the standard HDMI port like that, and now you just converted your cable into micro HDMI. And then what you want to do next is connect this video glasses to your camera. So here you have the port that is micro HDMI. I'm going to do that. I'm going to connect that in there. There we go, it's done. Next, you can turn on your glasses, and then you turn on your cameras, and there we go. Now I should be able to see what's happening, okay? Alright, so once you have your micro HDMI into the camera, as you can see here, we can now switch on the camera, and we should be able to see, yeah. So the good thing about the Sony A5100, you get to see the display on the screen as well as in the video glasses. I don't know, let me see. Yeah, hopefully you can see that. Let's see if I can focus here. Okay, let's see if you can zoom in. I'm trying to see if you can see the glasses as well. Okay, let's see. Let's move the camera around. Yeah, and so yeah, so you can trust me on this one. There's video feeds into these two LCD screen, micro LCD screen. So you can wear this, and yeah, whatever you see here, you should be able to see in here as well. And that's how it works. Really, you can be wearing this while you're outside. And the good thing about this is that you can also listen in as well. It comes with a headphone. This is an earbud, right? You can listen in. So you can also get the audio feed and the video side of it. So pretty cool stuff here. So really you do not need EVF because this video glasses serve the purpose. In addition, you can also have the audio, which is actually 2-in-1. solution. Here's the Sigma FP. Let me show you that can be done here as well. All right, so let's take the Sigma FP, and same thing, the Sigma FP also have HDMI, micro HDMI output. We're going to put that in. Okay, plug that in like that, turn on the camera, and yeah, the good thing about the Sigma FP as well, you can see the screen here and also in the glasses as well. Let me show you. Yeah, and the glasses is also shown. Yeah, it's also visible as well. Let me see if I can see something. And let me see if I can focus here. You can see that. But trust me that it's visible in the LCD screen, the micro LCD screen here. So you can also go outside when you're filming. If this monitor is not bright enough, as you can see already, this glare, because I'm using the LCD light shining on this table, and you can see this glare and you can't really see well. That is the same thing with the sun. When it hits it, you won't be able to see the screen here, so it's very hard to see what you're focusing on. Whereas if you have this glasses where you're wearing, not only you can see your images and videos, you can also hear it, because this HDMI output will carry the audio and video. So that is definitely a better solution than having just EVF built into the system. If you have a video glasses like this one here, it will work perfectly. I'll provide the link below, and hopefully you'll get one similar to that, and it works perfectly. Now, it's not the highest quality resolution. I believe this is as good as, I think, 720p or DVD quality, but that's good enough for looking at your composition and even focusing, especially when you turn on the zebras. You should be able to see it clearly, and then also the outline when you set it to red or green color or yellow, and you'll be able to pick out whether you're in focus or not. So yeah, I think it's very useful. All right, so here it is, the video glasses. When you put it on, you put on the earbud. Not only you can see, you can also hear your image. So while I'm looking at my video glasses, I can also hear what's going on. Now notice that the screen is also on the Sigma FP, and I also tested my Sony A5100. You can also see the screen, and you can view it on the glasses here as well. It looks pretty cool. Being able to see and hear is the way to go. I think we just solved not only the visual issue that this camera doesn't have, but also we now solve the audio issue, which this camera doesn't have as well. It doesn't have the audio out. So now we're able to do that using the HDMI, which also outputs the audio and video. So yeah, if you see a camera that doesn't have an EVF, no problem. Just use a video glasses and it will work perfectly. Now, of course, the image quality is not as sharp as a very high definition EVF, but it does the job because you can see your shot, you can compose your shot properly. It has, focus peaking that if wherever you see on your screen here, you can also see on your video glasses. It has zebra lines. Another feature that your camera may have, you can also display it on this video glasses. So there we go. We are able to solve problems even with camera that doesn't have EVF. And now just using the video glasses, you can pretty much do anything filming during daytime, and it works very, very good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.